One of the things we're well known for in our office is dealing with patients that have had trauma. And trauma is, unfortunate, bad things happen to good people. This is a good example of a trauma case that was referred to me. This gentleman fell. He tripped and fell in a parking lot and landed, on his face and broke several teeth. And when people come in like this, they're uncomfortable, but they're traumatized in many ways because they're afraid they're never going to have a smile that represents them. This is a great example of how we are able to not only restore the broken teeth, but give him a smile that actually looked better when we were done than before his accident. And then this is his final outcome. So sometimes these can take a series of time, several weeks, sometimes several months, depending on what the solution is. But the important part is this gentleman now has a smile that he loves.